Hey guys, how's it going? Just want to do another lot walkthrough video today. Show you what we have currently. New stuff we have, stuff that's going out, cars that are sold. We got this Twilight Turquoise 66. It's a 3-speed manual, 289. This car we just got finished up recently. We did the paint on this car. We did the paint on this car. And a couple other things, but we listed it maybe about a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, but we sold this car to the same guys in France that bought the other 2 striped cars that I was telling you all about. So they bought those 2, and they bought this one maybe like the following week or this 2 weeks after that. So yeah, we've had a couple cars leaving. So if you see anything that you like in this video, I'm going to put the phone number here at the bottom, somewhere here. And if you see anything you like, just give us a call, shoot us an email, and we can put a deposit down on something, and you can lock it down for yourself. We can ship anywhere in the world. So just let me know. Here's a couple customer cars. A customer car that we're working on, a 68, another 68, and there's a fastback. I think this is the 67. Yeah, this is 67 that we have waiting to build for somebody. If somebody wants to build a fastback, or if they want to just buy the body, they can. I don't think there's a motor in this car or a transmission. Yeah, there's a fastback, the 67 fastback. We have a 68 as well. And we have an Eleanor build that we're finishing up that'll be here pretty soon, within a couple weeks. Once we get that, I'll do another video. We have already a couple people interested in that, so if you want to put a deposit down on the Eleanor, it's a 68. I don't know what engine. I would assume it's going to be a 289. I know it has a 5-speed. So if you want to put a deposit on that, let me know. Give us a call or shoot us an email. And we can get started on that for you. Let's see what else we have in here today. We have this Ford. I think it's a 76 truck that we're working on for somebody. We're gonna do some paint and body work on this. This is his grandpa's car. Pretty cool. But I think the only thing that's original to this truck of his grandfather is the frame. He told us that everything else on top had to be replaced from a donor truck. So this cab is new. This is aftermarket hood, aftermarket fenders. It's the interior. I think the dash is the original dash, and maybe the bed, not sure, like the actual bed floor. Here's my E30, doing some work on it right now. Not really for sale, but I wouldn't say no to 20,000. So if you know somebody that wants a white E30 6-cylinder 91 325i BBS wheels, M-Tech 2 body kit. If you know somebody that wants one, let me know. Peanut butter interior. Not really peanut butter, just beige, but yeah. Here's a Ford. Another Ford. These are the owner's cars. We have a 69 Camaro that we're finishing up for the owner as well. I wish I could show you it. I don't think I have a picture. It's orange. It's really, really nice. We're doing an LS swap on it. I'm not sure if he's going to want to sell it. It kind of seems like he wants to sell it. That car is super nice. The only Chevy we have here. But yeah, if we get it in, I will let y'all know. Yeah, first time starting inside. We're going to go ahead and make our way to the lot. We have a couple cars out here today. I think there's one new one that wasn't in any of the other videos. We have this C10. This is one of the guys here at the shop. This is his truck. It's a 72. Runs and drives. Needs paint, obviously, but it's nice. I think he wants 8 for it, but I think he's on the fence about actually selling it. But I think for 8 he would let it go. Got this little Mercedes here. I don't know what year or whatever, but it does have a 5.0 from a Fox body in it. So if you're interested, let us know. Got that 3,000 cash. This burgundy is going to be sold today. So if you want this car, sorry, it'll be gone by the time this video is uploaded. We have 2 customers. We're just waiting for a deposit. One of them is approved. We're just waiting for the other one to get approved. He sent an inspector today, so giving him a little bit of room to come see it, to come put the deposit on it. It's pretty nice. Automatic, 289, and we're gonna put AC and power steering in it for him. So yeah, this one will be gone today, so sorry about that. And then also we had those 2 striped cars. I'll put the pictures of them here. There was the gray with the black stripes and the black with the gray stripes. Those 2 sold. Those 2 went to France. So yeah, I have this 67 Tahoe turquoise. This was here in the other video as well. Posted at $27,995. If you like this one, let me know. You can take a deposit on it. See the engine bay. 289, chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner. Blue interior, automatic. This one doesn't have AC, power steering, disc brakes, anything like that. But if you wanted to put it in, we could. Obviously, we give you a better price if we do it all at once. My favorite car, the Ember Bright 67. This color's from actually, I don't think this was in the last video. This color's from a 2003 F250. It shows super nice in the sun. It's not too bright right now, so you can't really see it shine. But it's like it goes from like a dark red to like an orange, a really bright, pretty orange in the sun. These big wheels on, I think they're 17s. Yeah, these big chrome wheels. This one does have AC. Has in-dash AC, so that's the more expensive option. You see there's the vents exposed, the one in the middle, one over there, and then one here. It's a little bit pricier than the underdash. The underdash unit would just hang in the middle right there. Yeah, love this car. Don't want to see it go, but hey, it'll make somebody happy. It's a 67, my favorite year. Have it up at $32,995. Super pretty, super pretty. This is the nicest car that we have here right now. This white 66 or 66 289 automatic, power steering, disc brakes, AC. Pretty nice car. We have it up at $32,995. But this car is actually up on auction right now on eBay, so I'm going to try and get this video up right now. So if you're seeing this video early, you have a chance to go bid on it. Next time I do an auction, I'll make a video about the car so you guys can see it, before the auction is basically ending. So I'll do that for the next car. I'll put one of these up for auction today, another one maybe, potentially the black one. But yeah, this car is really nice. Don't really need to do much to it. She'll be gone soon, hopefully. This 2015 Vet. If anybody wants this, let me know. I think it's up at 35, but we have a little wiggle room on it. So if you know anybody that wants a 2015 Vet, has like 77,000 miles on it, let me know. We got room on that. We got room on the price. I'd let it go for like 32. The 63 Ranchero with the 65 Mustang front end, 302 5-speed. I'll open her up. There's a 302. Yeah, this one I think is up at 20. Not as much room on this car, but yeah, up at 20. Custom interior, Ranchero logo on the top. These really big plush seats. It's really nice. If anybody knows anyone interested in this, let me know. Can take a deposit on it, ship it anywhere. It's a pretty cool little car truck. The black 66. This one has disc brakes, I believe. Oh no, this one has AC. This one has AC, not disc brakes. Got it confused. 289, also an automatic. Chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers. If I do start another auction today on eBay, it's going to be this car more than likely. So it's either going to be this or the Tahoe turquoise over there, the 67. So whichever one it is, I'll link it in the video. I'll put a picture of the listing, the eBay listing, and it'll be up for a week, and you guys can go bid on it. Has the pony interior, the deluxe interior, the ponies on the seats in the front and the back. There's the underdash AC unit. Pretty nice car. I want to say this one's up at $27,995. It's clean. If you want us to put the stripes on it like the other one had, we can. We can do vinyl stripes on top. It's pretty clean. There's more pictures of this car online. And there should be underside pictures as well. If not, I'll get those. And this one we just got in. Another turquoise 66, I believe. 66. Really pretty car. It says it has a 302 badge. I wonder if it has a 302. Here's the pony interior, matching pony interior. In-dash AC. Those nice wheels. Yeah, this paint's pretty. This is pretty paint. I believe that we just bought this car back from a customer. Little aftermarket tachometer there. Yeah, this car is really pretty. Let's look under the hood. Chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner. This is a nice one. I think this car, yeah, it's 66. I think this car is gonna be up for 35. I want to say somewhere between 33 and 35. If you're interested in it, give me a call. I'll have a for sure price by the time this video's up. I'll try if I do have a for sure price, I'll put it in the video as well right here. But yeah, just call the number right here if you're interested, or email us. But yeah, these are all the cars we have right now. We are a working shop as well, so if you need any work done to a classic, anything that has a carburetor, basically, we could work on. If you want to take off the fuel injection system of your Fox body and make it carbureted, we can do that. Yeah, that's everything. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Email us. You can message me on Instagram, Performance Mustangs HTX, at Performance Mustangs HTX, on Facebook. Comment on the video if you like any of the cars. Yeah, if you want to put a deposit down on anything, let us know. And I'll see you guys next time. Next time we have more cars, I will update y'all. Thank you guys.